Hey there folks, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something super cool to share with you. We're diving into TradingView to check out an awesome indicator that's going to seriously level up your trading game. Make sure to watch the video until the end because you'll see examples and backtesting results as well. So let's jump right in. We're talking about the cloud trend indicator. Yep, that's the one. And let me tell you, it's a game changer. Now, when you add this bad boy to your chart, you'll notice it right below, chilling out like it owns the place. What's cool about this indicator is that it's all about those Heiken Ashi principles, giving you the lowdown on where the market's headed and how strong those trends are. See those color changes? Blue means the price is on the up and up, while red signals a dip. And check this out, the width of the cloud. That tells you how strong that trend is. Narrow means things might be slowing down, maybe even flatlining, while wide clouds, that's a sign of some serious momentum. Now, default settings are all well and good for short-term stuff, but if you want to zoom out and get a bigger picture, you'll want to tweak those settings. Crank that length up to 100, and boom, you've got yourself a long-term trend indicator. Easy peasy. Keep an eye on those darker shades too. Bright colors mean the trend's got some oomph, but when things start to darken, that's a heads up that momentum might be waning. Now, here's where it gets even more interesting. Pair this baby up with another indicator like the Andean oscillator and you've got yourself a 1-2 punch. Now let's see a couple of trades which are a part of our 100 times back and forward testing it and see the results shortly after. Looking to step into the world of trading? Look no further. Introducing FP Markets, your ultimate trading destination. With a stellar reputation since 2005, FP Markets stands as a beacon of trust in the financial world. Regulated and reliable, we're your gateway to success in CFD and Forex trading. Imagine accessing a comprehensive suite of trading products all from one single account. With FP Markets, it's not just a dream, it's your reality. FP Markets has transformed my trading experience. I can diversify my portfolio effortlessly. Their platform is intuitive and user-friendly, making trading a breeze. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your trading game. Click the link above or in the description below to sign up, join the FP Markets community, and start your journey to financial success today. FP Markets, where trading dreams become reality. Remember though, no indicator is an island. Use this one as part of a bigger strategy, combining it with other tools to make those smart trading decisions. Alrighty, folks, that's a wrap for today. Thanks for tuning in. Got questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you. And hey, if you're digging what you're seeing, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay in the loop. Until next time, happy trading and may the market odds be ever in your favor.